Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to apply a tourist visa to Sweden. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, Sweden is part of Schengen countries. So a Schengen visa allows you to enter Sweden, but if you don't have, or if you're gonna apply and based on Schengen rules, if Sweden is the country where you need to file the visa, then it's really important that we know how to apply. So I'm just gonna navigate you through this service. So I have opened this official site for you. Okay, so first they have you need to find out whether you need a visa to enter Sweden or not. Okay, so they have given a link. Who need to have visas before entering Schengen area. So this is common, so that you can definitely check it out yourself. India double star they have given. So if we go down, what is the information? Holders of diplomatic passport do not require a visa. Okay. Alright. So let's go again. Yeah, and there are some other conditions like family members of if you have any other EU country. So they have given the links, so you need to find out if you need if you really need it or not. And if you're going to stay for more than 90 days, then you need to apply for visitor residence permit. So that we will cover in a different video some other day. Now there are requirements for every kind of visa. So let's say if you're applying for a tourist visa, so though they have given you like what you must have. You must have passport that is at least 3 months after the visa expires. Must be able to describe the purpose of your visit. Have money to support. And how much money? 450 SEK for each day you stay in Sweden, which can be paid by the person who has invited you. So that like if somebody is there who is hosting you or invited you. Have an individual medical travel insurance that cover all the costs and at least this much, and is valid for all Schengen countries. And you need to show that you intend to leave Sweden and a Schengen area on the last day before the visa expires. A photograph that is in passport format and taken with you facing the camera and which is not older than 6 months. Other documents they may ask. Okay, now there are few things how to apply. Okay, so there are three things. In many places it is outsourced via external service providers. So you can go to your local embassy's website where you're residing to find out if that's the case. You have to provide through extra provider. Or if you fall into these three locations, Sweden embassy in Seoul, Tokyo and Tehran, you can apply online e-service. Okay. And if you don't have any embassy in that like if your embassy does not have any agreement with external service provider, then you need to directly apply through them. So we'll go through this one. This gonna gives us the idea. Okay, find the embassy. So this is where you look for. So let's say you are applying from India. So let's go and see where it comes from. So in India you have two options, New Delhi and Mumbai. I go for New Delhi. Okay. So I have opened this Visa and Migration Center where they have written that starting this date, visa applicants requesting appointments related to biometric application submission, visa collection or send an email to this. Any other visa query needs to go to this one. Okay. Now how to apply is this Visa Application Center. So let's see. So in India it is outsourced. I'll open it in a different tab so that later on I can come. Okay. step. First of all, identify the visa type we need. We know. Begin your application. If once you are ready, you can download the visa application form, complete it, print the complete form and bring it to the VFS Global Services together with the document required. Okay, then you book the appointment. You can drop off at the visa application center with no need to book an appointment. Wow. Pay your fee, fine. Visa application, okay. Then track your application, collect your passport. Okay, fine. So they have also given this, and if they ask you to go for biometric, you may need to go by scheduling the appointment as they have said. So we'll go through one by one. Let's see this visa application form. Okay. Short-term visa, tourist visa. Now we have gone through it. Okay. Visa fee, same as any other Schengen country application process. Okay. Document required, processing time, download form, must be printed back to back. You can also obtain this form from the visa section of Embassy of Sweden, New Delhi, or from the Swedish Visa Application Center. Okay. So let's open then. Let's see what are these. Okay. Tools visa checklist. Application for Schengen visa, attach one photograph not older than 6 months, original copy of passport, previous passport available, proof of lodging where you're gonna stay, certificate from travel agency, copy of original marriage certificate and birth certificate of children, flight reservation, return ticket, medical insurance, then professional activity proof of financial means, bank statement last 3 months, income tax declaration last 2 years, you sponsored proof of sponsorship, signature. Okay. Application form, surname. It's a 2-page form and back to back. Surname at birth, first name, date of birth. Okay. Current nationality, civil status, type of travel document, personal data, family relationship. So these are very basic fields that we have seen in many other applications too. Place signature. Okay, so that's fine. Information regarding validity of visa requirement for medical travel insurance. Now we'll add 15 days for period of validity of your visa. Okay. Medical travel insurance in Schengen area you need to declare. Data protection notice. Wow, this also you need to. So this is only required if you are assigning someone to represent you. Consent for underage children, again if this is only required if it is applicable to you. So we have gone through all the section: fee, application process, biometrics, and if granted. So, and of course, like embassy can always ask you to provide additional documents if they feel like. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel.